How to take a long scrolling screenshot on Windows. First thing you're going to have to do is find the web page or something that you want to take long screenshot of. So let me just open up my browser, and here I'm going to simply search for Wikipedia. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open up a random one. So let's just open this one right here. And as you can see here, it has a really long text. So what I'm going to do now is right click on anywhere on the screen, then click on inspect. And once you've done that, what you're going to have to do is find this little toggle icon where it says switch device. You're just going to have to click on it, and then you'll see the three dots right here. Click on this more option button. Now once that is done, you have an option to capture a screenshot, which will only take a screenshot of this much page. But if you click on capture full size screenshot, it will take entire screenshot of this web page. So all you have to do is click on it and click on capture full size screenshot. Now just wait for a bit, and it's going to scroll down automatically to take a screenshot itself. So just wait for a bit. As you can see here, the full-size screenshot has been downloaded to my gallery. So this is the full-size page. So what I'm going to do now is click on this to open up the screenshot. And let's see if it has a full-size screenshot or not. So as you can see here, it has captured the full-size screenshot completely of this entire page. So that's how you capture a long scrolling screenshot on Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.